Okay, so I've indicated of the outer diameter of the lead screw, and I've determined that from the left to the right I have about 10/100ths of a millimeter. That's about 0.1 millimeter from left to right. No, actually, sorry, I've got about 1/100th of a millimeter deviation from left to right, but as the screw is rotating, it's got eccentricity of about 0.1 millimeters, so I think I'm pretty level now, and I'm now going to proceed to set up the half nuts, and I'm going to do that as far as I can toward the tailstock, the headstock, because the tailstock bearings are going to have to come out at some point for this whole thing to be reassembled completely. At least that's what I think. I think I'm gonna have to take it off once more, because there are... Sorry. At least that's what I think, because there are screws behind the apron here. So let me try and get the camera behind it. I'm not sure I can do it, but let's try. Maybe from this angle. So as you can see, the lead screw half nuts will be installed in here. And I'm not really sure, this is the back of the apron, I'm not really sure I can get to these nuts with the machine in this position. Maybe I will be able to, maybe not. But before I go and do that, I also want to finish installing the Norton box. And to do that I have to put in this screw. And the axis of this screw is actually the axis of the screw is actually further up from this from the bottom of these castings. So even if I had an Allen key long enough, I couldn't get in there because the axis of the screw will interfere with the casting. So I have to lift the lathe off to get that bloody thing in. So that's what I'm gonna do next.